Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5068781 or this update on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic again, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back and click on retry and then try to update your Windows 10 once again and then check. Still not working, then pause and restart the update. Now for this, over here you can go to advanced option over here, or you can just go back, go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause option, so hit pause over here. Now once paused, now hit resume updates over here and then try to update your Windows 10 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, you can go to troubleshoot option over here and then click on troubleshoot and then click on additional troubleshooters, Windows Update, run the troubleshooter and let it complete. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Run these command. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. These commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Now once the troubleshooter is complete, you have to click on next and restart your computer and then check. Now once the first scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here, write down the name of the update. So KB5068781, and then you can type in over here name of the update and then click on search, and then first of all check your version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check the version. In my case it's version 22H2, and then check the system type. Now for this, you can go to home and then you can go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and then check the system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system, x64. Now you have to select your version. So for me it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. So whichever is the right update for you, you can, as per your system type and version, click on download over here, and then you can click on this update, click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. Once done, restart your computer and then you can check. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool over here. Download this, click on download now, run this exe file. When you run the exe file, you have to click on accept over here, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected, so make sure this is checked. Click on next, let download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here, and then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.